What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to clean and lubricate sliding patio doors or window tracks. It's going to be the same thing. If you guys are new to my channel, please do me a favor. Click the subscribe and notification bell so you can get all my new videos. Alright, let's get to this one. So over time you're going to notice that your sliding door or window tracks fill up with dirt and grime, pet hair even, over time, and the door or window is going to gradually become harder and harder to close and open. And the same thing goes for sliding screen doors as well. First step is we need to clean out all the loose debris from the tracks. We're going to do that by first vacuuming it out. And then close the door, and then you can get to this other backside. Hi, Pinky. Okay, now we need to get that leftover grime, and we're gonna accomplish that with a rag or paper towels, and then I've got a bucket of warm soapy water. We're just gonna go in there and manually clean it with elbow grease. Now if there's some hard to clean nooks and crannies, you can use an old toothbrush, Q-tips, or even toothpicks to get those really small spots. This outside track too, with the screen door. Now if there's still any tough spots that you couldn't get up, you can go ahead and use some acetone or nail polish remover, rubbing alcohol, or even Windex and spray it in there. And that'll really help lift the built-on dirt and grime. Now you're gonna wanna let those tracks fully dry, or go ahead and wipe them down with a dry cloth or paper towel to get any of that soapy residue and water off. This is important for our next step of lubricating the track. Okay, now what we're gonna wanna use to lubricate it is this silicone spray. And there's different brands of this, but I'll go ahead and leave a link down in the description to one of these for you guys. This is really important. You can use regular WD-40, but what tends to happen is WD-40 can attract dirt and grime over time, so it will work at first, but you're gonna have to clean it more often than not. So we're gonna give this a healthy dose of spray right in the track. Go ahead and do the screen door too. Gonna want to make sure you do the inside and the outside. And once you do that, go ahead and give the door a few slides back and forth to get that worked into the rollers on the sliding door. And it's also going to dislodge some dirt that you can go ahead and clean as well. And that's pretty much it, guys. I do want to warn you to let other people in your household know that you've done this process, because the door's a lot easier to close now, and someone may put their force all the way into it and it could really slam it shut hard. Ask me how I know about that. But hopefully you found something in this video helpful, guys. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe and click the bell so you can get my new videos. That really helps me out. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY, guys. Keep on doing it yourself. Take care.